cases, we have seen so many smokers in your near neighbor, even your home, some relatives, even your close relatives are used to smoking. Even your doctors see in front of you are smoking. So basically smoking is not a luxurious thing, enjoyable, it is a very life-threatening. And those who are having heart attack, and if they are smoking, 30% chances are there they will again will have a heart attack. If they are stopping up even after heart attack, there will be 20-25% chances that there will be no further heart attack. So it is important this factor for the. So I have taken one pictures. You look, the smoking is enjoyable to all age. Love to smoke. Old men live in their own world and later died in sudden death. Babaji soega soe rah gaye. So basically smoking, what we have collected some pictures for your, even great gentleman, most powerful man of the world, Obama, but recently after the anti-smoking, we have so many times we have tried to campaign against him on the Twitters and this, and now he has stopped smoking, no public smoking. Even films, you cannot show a hero or heroine doing smoking in India because now penalty will be implanted. In railways, the anti-smoking lobby is working, and now in 2003-4, our honorable ex-railway minister Nitish Kumar have given a law that no one will be smoke inside the train or on the platform. They will be fined in 2003 circulation. So smoking in our hospital, it is an anti-smoking zone. So if somebody is smoking, you can jolly well claim for him. He will be punished under penalty law. 500 rupees something is penalty. West Bengal government have a circulation that is. So why I am stressing on this? Because this is the one of the things whether we have to start from the beginning to prevent the heart attack. Not only heart attack, there are many things we can stop, like lung carcinoma. There are many side effects of this. So smoking should be alerted on the all doctors level, paramedicals level, and general as a health activist you have to be very much cautious for preventing the smoking, because it is not a good thing. Because the days of past when great personality used to this and people keep giving them support. But now it is a well-known fact, scientifically proved, that smoking is not a good thing. Particularly for coronary heart disease, we are 100% against this. Now you look, 20% of children and 65% of adults are obese, overweight. Something we are having in our own hand, something we don't have our own hand. But if you are maintaining the ideal body mass index, chances of the hyperlipidemia will be less and you will be this. But our lifestyle have changed. Look, seeing the television continuously, eating burgers, eating so many delicious food, and landing up with huge pot bellies and dying with heart attack, diabetes. The things is that one important factor is AC, abdominal circumference. Itself is a risk factor. Earlier days in India, people loves to be obese. शादी जब होने लगता था, যে মেয়ের মা বলছিলেন কি ভালো ঘরে ছেলে আছে, পট বেলি ভালো ছেলে, खात पीता घर का है, खाता पीता घर का है, इसमें शादी करेंगे. But days have changed now. It is not a science of prosperity. It is a science of inviting your future complications, and your life is declining. So try to be one. Not all are not exception. Even some 30 people have lived 90. You know, Churchill was a great smoker. He was a great obese man, but he lived for 85, 90s. So exceptions are there, but I am talking in general. So try to maintain the weight. That is the one factor. We have to give a message to society that it is the modifiable risk factor we have to do that. Early childhood, people love to be this, but later what will happen, God knows. I don't know this boy. So Somu like Palman, but ultimately it is not a good. So what to eat? Is this way? Eating this, we have to change our diet style. Dietary things. Saturated fat are dangerous for heart. This is not proven fact. All the research have. So we have to change the diet and diet patterns, what we are eating. Next is when people are obese, they are more prone for the diabetes. Now diabetes is either due to insulin deficiency or due to the peripheral receptor disorder. So metabolic syndrome, whether the diabetes occurs due to obesity. Most common cause of type 2 diabetes are throughout the world is obesity. And when there will be obesity and diabetes will lead to the metabolic disorder. It will be the glucose, lipids, protein, all will derange. So there will be the complication. So you know, India is going to exceed even with China. India is now the diabetic capital of the world, because highest number of diabetes living in the India. And this diabetes, once it will be gradually involve all the target organs, including heart, kidney, eyes, nerves, brains, all organs will be getting one. So diabetes, how to prevent diabetes? Some are genetic, some are phenotype. So we have to try to control the diabetes. Early detection, detect the diabetes. So that's why we can prevent the complication of diabetes. So all the level, it should not happen. Second, it should happen early detection. If early detection, continuous monitoring, and no target organ complication. That should be our target. So always check thoroughly. And if long-term diabetes will invite if blood hypercholesteremia and dyslipidemia. So there are two types of cholesterol. One is the LDL cholesterol and second is HDL. LDL cholesterol is known as bad cholesterol and HDL cholesterol is known as good cholesterol. In body, if LDL will high, HDL will be low, it is the most dangerous. So HDL should be high and LDL should be low. So that is why now earlier days only LDL cholesterol was, but now HDL cholesterol is being very much highlighted. So if you are doing regular exercise, if you are doing regular walking, if you are doing regular thorough walking and regular maintaining your lifestyle stress free, HDL will be low, always high, then it will maintain in the normal level. So HDL's earlier days was neglected cousins, but nowadays it is very much important. So many drugs have come up to increase the HDL. Similarly, if you know hypertension is one of the important factor for heart attack. So hypertension, why it happens? Due to stress, due to inactivity, due to tobacco, due to age, environment, alcohol, excess salty diet intake. Besides these genes, we see genes, environments, all are environmental interaction leading to hypertension. There is no one single factor. So we have to control the hypertension, early detection and control of hypertension should be. So regular checkup, early detection. Try to do some camp whether you can detect the normal people. Try to in our hospital we are maintaining last 2-3 years hypertensive day, whether all the staffs, all the doctors, all the should get their BP checkup, because most of them we ourselves is not checking our own blood pressure, presuming that we all are alright. Those staffs, group D staffs, sanitary workers, all should get their checkup in this. And this year also, in May, we used to do, we arrange hypertension day. We have to make it that 300, 400 should get it. Otherwise, regular interval, if someone is hypertensive, they should get it. If those who are prone for that, they should also get your checkup. Simple BP checkup will sometime give you the opportunity to prevent the complication. I know so many patients, one ticket collectors, one day came with brain hemorrhage, BP 240, 140, and uncontrolled hypertension first time detected. He was living just hardly 200 meters away from our clinic, but never came to here, presuming that he is always alright. So try to motivate all them to do the preventive checkup. Even if you don't have a problem, some patients came to our clinic and they are saying, do my checkup. I don't have any problem, but I think I should get my checkup. I become very glad. At least you have to give them all 1 thorough checkup report so that they should know their number. What is my BP? What is my cholesterol? What is my sugar? Make a chart, keep it in a recording and check after 1 year. This should be the ideal way for the preventive health care. So stress, important factor. All of them, sisters, if I'll ask you, our life में अनेक stress है. क्यों बोले ना कि हमारे stress नहीं. So stress always it is a key लिए तो time manage होच्छे ना, no sleep, fear, unknown cause, किचु न किचु लिए हमारे problem आच्छे. But what? Why? So you ask yourself, what's my problem? What's my solution? What to do? Can anybody else will solve my problem? No, I myself have to solve. So that will give you to the cope up with the stress. And there are some people used to come, they are saying I have 2 times stress, one in day and night. So when there is no stress, so think it, stress is a part of life and we have to do work with proper management, how to cope with the stress. So basically on these are the common risk factors, what we have told you, hypertension, diabetes, all ischemic factor, risk factor. So heart attack, when it happens when these vessels get choked through the sudden thrombus and blood has got away from that and that artery is blocked and that lead to heart attack. So what now the second part of my talk is what to do when patient came with heart attack.